Hi everyone, it's me Sarah. Welcome back to Sara channel. It's painting channel, a lot of things. Yeah.
So this is and there's
Whoa.
some pieces of metal in those logs, a rope on it. So this is this used to be part of what they called when they would when they had a big tugboat that was pulling a raft of logs. It's actually called a brail. And these type of logs, they hook these logs end to end. These logs were like hooked end to end with chains, and then the logs that would cut were captured inside. These are created like a sack.
Ooh, it's like
so
a rainforest.
The ones with the chains and stuff. Wow. That would, they would connect
awesome.
together to put around all the.
Oh, this is so cool.
So then they pull them around.
Oh yeah.
That's often has eagles.
My grandson, they were down here in a friend. They got a friend living
Yeah.
out here, and he was telling me one day they were out here, and he said there was.
Hey, let's look if there's any turtles in the.
You know, I thought they would, and that you can see they actually had had eagle cams.
So
yeah, that's what I was
wondering.
wondering.
Live video cameras.
So we want to grab
Video camera feed, but I've tried to find that.
Yeah, and
it must be.
It looks down.
Or
You want to grab a rock?
Down on the
yeah,
We want to grab a rock and skip it on the pond. It's right there.
And there's no nest there at the moment, so apparently they don't
Ooh.
they're not living there.
Yeah.
Oh, geese and ducks.
Oh, nice to clear the water.
I know.
We want to look if there's any turtles on the river.
Yeah, I mean, the water is clear. It's amazing.
This is perfect water to skip rocks in. And to stand in. Oh, this is a pretty view.
It is.
Gonna look rainforest. Now that's made for a panda.
Oh man, that's made for a panda. I don't know. I think it'd need more than that.
Still. These are perfect to climb on for pandas.
You don't have bamboo.
Because mostly pandas have a good chance of surviving up there. If animals are
If you don't have
People
any
leave the
bamboo.
trash out here.
Why are they littering? This is illegal to litter.
Right. So I'm going to be a good
Because sometimes the wind can make them go, and sometimes the wind makes them go in the water.
Mountain Scout, did you girl clean up?
Sometimes the wind flies it into the water. Don't you think, Mr. Clink?
Apparently one of these logs is
Ew, poop! Poop.
Where?
It's from an animal. I don't know. No. It's hard, I think. Whoosh.
Oh, right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it could be goose.
Yeah, it could be goose.
Ooh, pretty flowers.
Yeah.
Brenda, this is awesome. Here, you want to go right there? Because there's flowers. Brenda, come on, let's go right there. There's flowers in the river. See?
We'll walk that way so I can get a
You
picture.
come with me because they're
Hurry up,
bees.
because they're going to watch it there. We'll go down there.